On this episode of On the Travel Hunt, we are at the Hampton Inn and Suites, downtown Greensboro, conveniently located by plenty of bars and restaurants. We used the digital key for this Hilton hotel, but our room wasn't ready when we arrived, so that gives us plenty of time to explore the hotel.
So we had a nice spacious room. Let's talk about our price breakdown. Our room was roughly $114.50 a night with a $12 fee for parking. That is per night, and it's convenient parking deck attached to the hotel. You can access your room from the third floor through the parking deck. Rent total with taxes was $141.10. So we had a nice stay, very quiet, quaint hotel, and a nice location, very safe.
Like I said earlier, the room wasn't ready when we arrived, but it was well worth the wait because it was very clean. And just wanted to quickly show where the parking garage is attached. Like they said, we were on the third floor, so we could just come out of this door here.
So that's the end of this trip. Catch us on another episode of On a Travel Hunt.